Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of changing the battery on your Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner. This task requires a few basic tools and some patience. Let's get started. First, you'll need the following tools: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a small Phillips screwdriver. Make sure you have these ready before beginning the process. 1. Power off. Begin by ensuring your Dyson V8 is completely powered off. Disconnect it from the charger to prevent any accidental activation. 2. Remove the battery pack. Locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press the button and slide the battery out gently. You may need to apply some pressure, but it should come out fairly easily. 3. Unscrew the battery compartment. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery compartment cover. There are typically 2 screws, so be sure to keep them in a safe place. If you find it challenging to reach the screws, a flathead screwdriver can help pry the cover slightly without damaging it. 4. Clean the inside. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the interior of the battery compartment. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust or debris. This step ensures optimal contact with the new battery. 5. Install the new battery. Take your compatible replacement battery and slide it into the compartment. Ensure it is securely in place. If you're unsure about which battery to purchase, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you choose the right one for your needs. 6. Screw the cover back on. After the new battery is in, replace the battery compartment cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it's tightened well, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. 7. Final check. Once everything is back in place, give your Dyson V8 a quick visual inspection to ensure all components are properly seated. 8. Power on. Now, reconnect your Dyson V8 to the charger for a full charge before using it. This will ensure the new battery performs optimally from the start. If you don't have the tools necessary for this replacement, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to service your vacuum. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient process. 9. Testing the vacuum. After charging, turn your Dyson V8 on and test it on different surfaces to ensure everything is working as expected. If you encounter any issues, we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to understand the costs up front. That's it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Dyson V8. Regular maintenance and timely battery replacements can extend the life of your vacuum and keep it running efficiently for years to come. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your clean home with your refreshed Dyson V8. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.